At the seed gates of an ancient tomb, a voice from centuries ago still calls out. At the entrance to the forever closed catacombs of St. Hippolytus, silence reigns, but carved into the stone, a desperate plea from long time ago. St. Hippolytus, keep Peter the sinner in mind, keep us all in mind. Who left these words? And why are they still speaking to us today? Their names were whispered by the faithful, even as the empire tried to erase them. Hippolytus and Pontian lived in a time when faith could cost you everything. They were leaders, shepherds, and for that they were exiled to a place of hunger, isolation, and suffering. But their punishment didn't break them, it revealed their strength. What happens when the crown of leadership becomes a cross? Their headship of the church brought them into direct conflict with power. It stripped them of comfort, of safety, and finally of life itself. And yet, their witness only grew louder. Even in the shadows of death, their light would not go out. They embraced exile as a final sermon. Every hunger pang, every night of cold became a prayer for the church they loved. And their prayer didn't end with their last breath. Long after their bodies were laid to rest, the faithful still came, still prayed, still believed. The pilgrim graphy at Hippolytus' tomb is not just history, it's testimony. A reminder that holiness leaves footprints, even in rock and dust. But the real question is, what will our own legacy look like? We count our hardships now, but they counted theirs in chains. Compared to their suffering, our trials are small, yet our courage calls us higher. May we carry our crosses with the same faith, the same hope, the same love. St. Hippolytus, keep us in mind. St. Pontian, strengthen our hearts. Amen. Please subscribe for more daily Saints with Grace.